Okay, hi guys. Sorry about the dogs. Today I want to ask you to join me in the new mini series, the top 3 mistakes that I made. And boy, I do a lot of mistakes, so I'm confident that I'm the right person to tell you about what mistakes do you like to avoid. Okay, so this is the first installment of the series, so we will talk about the top 3 mistakes that I made as a photographer. Number 1 mistake that I already made twice in my career. I'm not proud of the second one. The first one I need to learn somehow, but the second one was really painful. The first of the 3 mistakes that I've made is not have a backup plan for your files on the shoot. I lose it because my SD card died on the shoot. I had Canon 450D. It literally had 1 SD card slot, so it's kind of the mistake that can't be avoided, although it was quite huge at the time card, and I lost part of my photos that was impossible to get back because it was live event and they were just lost. The next time, a matter of fact, I have my 70. I have 2 card slots and I've mismanaged the backup, so I've lost half of the footage because I don't turn on the backup function, so you have images written down on the both cards. So I just set up, if the first card will get full, then the images will start to record on the second card, and one of my cards just died. Yeah, the bonus tip is that if I can, I will shoot tethered to my laptop while I'm recording to both cards. So I try to have at least 3 copies of every photo that I made. Number 2 will be no contract. The meaning, if you shoot for friends, even for family, please do make some type of written agreement on what you deliver, because with friends and family it might not cost you a lot of money, but you can lose your connection with these people. Mistake number 3, not having a backup for makeup artist or your hairstylist. It might sound funny, but if you showed up on the shoot, no matter what the shoot will be about, but if it's happened to be commercial shoot, you have your location booked, permission granted, your model is there and you have to pay for the day, and your makeup artist or hairstylist gets sick on the day. Even now it's more important with this COVID-19 situation, when if someone feels sick, they can't show up on the shoot. So having extra person that is willing to be available for you, it's crucial. This is my top 3 mistakes that I made as a photographer. Hope you can learn from my mistakes and do not replicate them. That's it from me. Hope you like it. If you like it, please please hit the like button. If you loved it, please do subscribe and make sure you turn on the notification bell for future uploads. Bye.